Hey guys, this is the Ryobi 1 Plus tire inflator, and I'm going to show you how to fill up the tires on this Tesla Model Y with it. This is the R18MI model. It's an 18-volt device in the 1 Plus series, so it's very handy. You can use the same batteries as for other devices like the impact wrench, which I'm using also for this tire job. So let's go ahead and turn it on from this on button here. And it's indicating with an arrow to the right that it's in the mode for filling tires, and it's showing pressure is 0. So we need to connect this to the tire. So let's take the cap off, and now this head goes directly on the tire. So the way you need to do it is, once you push it in, you pull out this sleeve into this position and it will lock in place. So let's push it in and then push the sleeve in, and now it's in place. And it will show here that the tire is currently at 2.7 bars of pressure, and it does remember the pressure setting. So if I press on plus, I can scroll up to 2.9, which I want, but if I wouldn't have pressed on plus, it would actually have been at 2.9, because that's the setting I used it for last time. So now we just hit start. And it does take like, I don't know, it's at 2.8 now, so I don't know, maybe under a minute, so you can do something else on the car while you're doing that, maybe get the next tire ready or something like that. And now it stopped automatically at 2.9 bars of pressure, which we set it at. So let's take the tube out here, and I usually use a pressure gauge still to check, but the Ryobi has proved to be quite accurate. So now it's showing 2.95, and yeah, on the other tire it showed 2.9, and on a third one which I did, it was 2.95. so it's close enough. I'll just leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider checking the link for the Ryobi in the description. It's an affiliate link and does help the channel if you decide to use it. Thanks for watching.